Hello and welcome to the first Java episode of Code Deep Dive. In this episode, I'm going to show how ArrayList is designed in Java. I will create empty ArrayList object that stores integer objects. Let's deep dive and have a look. On create, the element data property is initialized with final empty array. There's also size property that is 0 as there are no elements in the list yet. ArrayList inherits from abstract list. Let's add something to the list. Firstly, integer is created. Let's skip it for now. We see that abstract list contains modification counter that's incremented. As the next step, another add method is called additionally with current content and amount of elements stored. You can see a check if amount of data stored equals size of allocated array. As it's the case, the element data is grown. The initial indication is to grow it by 1. The check is if we are working with already allocated array. As it's not the case, the new object array is allocated with default initial capacity being 10 for this implementation. The element data is returned and new element is assigned to index 0. The size is also increased. Since the memory is already allocated, adding another item should put current element into data array directly. Let's check that. S is 1 and element data length is 10, so the element is assigned to the index 1 of an array. Let's take a note that after adding 10 elements to the list, adding yet another element should trigger yet another array growth. Let's check this one as well. I'm adding 10 elements to the list and then I will add 11th item. The growth is triggered as the array is full. As data was initialized, we need to compute new capacity. The preferred growth is by roughly 50%. The first check is about making sure we grow the array at least by minimum growth. There's also guarding condition so that no more elements can be allocated than maximum integer value. In such case, there's a logic that tries performing only minimum growth. The new capacity is 15 and what's left is copy of the data. Copy of allocates new array of objects containing 15 elements. The last goes system copy, which is native function. So this is as deep as we go for now. The new array is assigned to element data. There are 5 new empty slots. New element is assigned to index 10 and size is increased. In this episode, we saw how ArrayList is designed in Java and what happens to memory when elements are added to the ArrayList object. In the next episode, I will show what happens on iterating over the ArrayList. If you like this video, make sure to press like button and subscribe. I hope my content will help you creating something great. Thanks for watching.